am so excited about the Summer Scholar Program because I got to meet a lot of the scholars there. As someone who loves lawyers, I never had lawyers in my family. I'm the first lawyer in my family, but I love lawyers. And many of you know that I served as the president of the Alabama State Bar from 2019 to 2020, and that's because I love lawyers. And it's concerning to me that we have a decline in lawyers. We're going to have a shortage of lawyers in the years to come. A third of our lawyers are age 60 and over, and we're not backfilling that pipeline like we need to be, especially in rural areas like where I live. I'm one of the youngest lawyers in our circuit, and I'm not that young, not nearly as young as I used to be. So it's important that we fund programs like the Summer Scholar Program to help those who may not have been exposed to lawyers in their family, like me, and don't really know what it's like to practice law, don't have lawyers that they can reach out to find out what it would be like to be a lawyer, and get into the law school and get to meet law professors, get to meet other lawyers, get to meet legislators, get to know what it's like to practice law so that they can become passionate about the practice of law like many of us are, and hopefully go on to law school and succeed and stay here in Alabama and practice law and serve the citizens of Alabama.
As you may know, there's a shortage of lawyers in our state, and we're the state's only public law school. So we want to interest as many promising young people as we can in considering a career in the legal profession. So we are delighted to bring these folks to our school, and we have seen a number of them go on to law school. Some of them at our school, which is great, but we're happy also if they just become lawyers who think about coming back to Alabama and serving our state.
There's been a theme in state government the last few years about workforce development and, encouraging and getting young people to pursue a law degree, especially when there's such a deficit in some of the rural areas so that to me is workforce development, because we do need judges, we do need lawyers, we need prosecutors, DAs, and in these rural areas and other areas.
This program does a fantastic job of creating awareness. And then it also makes the connection between that awareness and the people that are charged with dealing with some of these things. So once you make that connection for people, then it lights a spark. So you not only prepare them by making them aware, but also giving them the knowledge, the experience, and the relationships. It's vital that our educational institutions in the state of Alabama help our kids identify the issues that we deal with, prepare them to help fix those problems, and then put them in situations where they can do something about it.